preparation of joining the corners, we have to silicone the sections just on the outer walls. So just using the appropriate low modulus silicone just around the wall sections. And if anybody asks, my cake decorating days are over, as you can see, because it doesn't look the best, does it? And you wouldn't want a cake turning up like that. So you do that to all the sections you're joining before you join them. Now we're just going to join one of the vertical sections with the bottom section here. So it's just a case of inserting the cleats into the chamber, making sure that the chevron itself is correctly aligned. See, that's just in there. Okay, so that's gone together nicely. Okay, so after joining the profile together with the silicone, you can see in there, we're just going to adjust the corner now using the machine screw in the cleat section. You can see the corner itself is not quite perfect. You can see that the top section here is a little bit underneath and this section is a little bit over. The advantage to the mechanical screw is basically that adjusts that in quite a simple way. So if you were to tighten the screw here, this profile would then move this way. Conversely, if you tighten the screw that's on this side, the profile will then move here. So we know that looking at this profile, this section needs to move up. So what we do is we tighten this section first, looking at this little section at the end. So if we tighten that, hopefully you'll be able to see just now the corner coming right up close to each other, that's fine. And then you'd nip across to the other side, just give it a quick nip on that section there, so you can see just there. Okay, back to the original side, making sure all the time that the corners are perfect, and just keep going from side to side, making sure that's correct. Okay, you've also got a little bit of leeway, lateral movement up and down if you need to. Once you've done that, just check the other corners, briefly tighten those up. Just really hand tighten quite tight, making sure you don't strip the threads out. And that looks like pretty good to me. And in this case, it's just cleaning that corner off, repeating it then on all the other 3 existing corners left to do. So we'll go and do that now. I'll come back in a second. Okay, so following that process, we've now got all 4 corners mitered together, clamped up and sealed. The next process that we're going to do now will be a close-up of just setting the hinge positions on this side, so the hinges for the outer frame.